In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you the 5 things you need to know before you start a YouTube channel for your business. Having a YouTube channel for your business can help you reach your target audience, generate more leads, and bring success to your business. If you're thinking of starting a YouTube channel to help promote your brand, here are 5 things you need to know. Always put content first. You have to take the time to figure out what kind of videos you're going to create. While it might be fun to participate in whatever video trend is currently happening, you have to focus on what will bring you new subscribers and what will keep them coming back for more. You need to make sure that you are posting new content consistently if you want to build an audience. Make sure your thumbnails are on point. When you make sure that the thumbnails displayed on your channel are on point, you can significantly improve your video views. However, if you get it wrong, it will end up turning people away from your channel. You want to make sure your thumbnail is clear, simple, and immediately catches your viewers' eyes. Collaborate with others. Find other YouTube creators that are in your industry and collaborate with them on some cross-branding incentives. Focus on working with other channels that have the same amount of subscribers as you do. Not only will this allow you to grow your YouTube audience, but will also increase awareness of your brand. Aim for nice-looking videos. While the videos of your favorite YouTubers look effortless, the truth is that they are more than likely using a variety of expensive equipment to get high-quality videos. When it comes to your videos, don't worry about spending your hard-earned cash on expensive equipment because your videos don't have to be Hollywood productions. Make sure the lighting is good by placing a bunch of lamps around the room and keep the camera still by using a tripod or a pile of books. You want to focus on making videos that are good enough, not ones that will break the bank. Make sure your branding is clear. You need to make sure that people remember your video. Make sure that you create a memorable and straightforward channel name, and be sure to include a beautiful, eye-catching logo on your channel. Nothing is stopping you from creating your own YouTube channel for your business. However, by keeping these 5 things in mind when you get started can go a long way toward making sure your channel gets noticed.